Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, as you know, 14 August is coming, and 14 August is also known as Pakistan Independence Day. Pakistan is made by Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah with remarkable efforts. We are very thankful to all soldiers who protect us, and with the sake of them, we are celebrating this day with no fear. 14 August is a day in which we decorate our home, school, and our streets. We dress up our clothes with green and white shalwar kurta, wear badges, bands and cap, and also go to Quaid-e-Azam Mazar of this day, and also celebrate this day in school, in which we celebrate this day with reciting surah and national anthem. Now students, as you know, every year on 14 August we love to buy different innovative badges, but as you know, we are at home in quarantine because of COVID-19. So your teacher Miss Sadia will tell you today how to make beautiful badges at home. So students, now we will start our badge making activity. I hope you love this activity and also make these badges at home and show us in picture. So students, now we are starting. Say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim before starting your work. In this activity, we need some things like this cutting of shape, this papers. We are using card sheet here. If you have your glitter sheet, so you also can use glitter sheet, white glitter sheet. We have two circles, 4 ends of circle. You have to cut this. If you have glitter sheet, white glitter sheet, so you also can cut this with glitter sheet. We need one star, one moon with green color, one piece of tape, one safety pin, one pencil, glue, scissor and green paper. Now students, have you seen what things are needed for this badge? You can also use another things for decorating this badge, or you can also make anything related to the 14 August. Your teacher is making badge, and I hope you also can make this. It is very easy to make. Now students, we are starting this activity. Now students, take this paper, color paper or A4 paper of green color. Now start folding like your teacher is doing. Are you seeing? We have to fold like up and down. Now up and down. Up and down. You have to fold this paper, whole paper like this. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Have you seen, students? This paper is totally fold, like up and down folding. Now you have to fold this paper like this. Now you have to. Now we are folding from one side. We are not. Now we fold three sides, like one, have you seen? This is one side. We are not partition with both sides. We are partition in three sides. One. Now we cut this, and two and three. It's partition in 1, 2 and 3. Now we are cutting one side, two side and three side. Now we are using only two sides of this paper. One side we can not using this. We are using only two sides of paper. Now we use UHU tube, or you also use UHU or glue, any glue you can use here, like this. Okay, how now we stick the both side with the glue. Like this. Both sides are stick. Now we stick on the first side of the paper. Then we will paste the both side of this. Like this. Now we will open this like this. Wow! Have you seen? Very good, Miss Sadia. Now we will stick a circle card sheet on this side. Now we will paste glue Now we will paste the circle like this. Now we will turn the paper. Now we will stick a circle on this side too. We will paste moon on this and a star to show a flag sign. Moon is a crescent and star is show 5 pillars of Islam. Crescent show peace in Pakistan. Now we will paste glue and stick on the paper like this. Have you seen? This is paste on the paper. Now we will paste 2 ribbons card sheet on the back side of this badge with glue. Now we will paste 2 ribbons in cross side like this. One. Now second ribbon on the cross side. Okay. Now we will take a safety pin and a double tape. Now we will paste this safety pin with this double tape like this. Wow, our badge is ready. I hope you like this badge. I have a second one badge is ready with a glitter sheet. You can also make this badge with a glitter sheet, or you can also use a card sheet, a white card sheet. Okay students, I hope you like this. And in this badge you can also use green computer paper or ribbon, or you can also make this badge in small size. Miss Sadia made this badge in big size. You can also use ribbons or another decorative items in this badge. Okay students, I hope you learned this badge, and I also hope you also make this badge at home. And also you have another ideas with badges or another related things related to 14 August. You can also make this with video or photos and send it to us and tell us how you like or not. Now student, I have a new activity of making flag badge. Now I have cut it a square piece of square green paper and a rectangle of white and a star and a moon. Now we will stick a rectangle, white rectangle on green paper like this. It is very easy to make flag badge. You can also make it at home. Now we have a moon. We will stick on the paper, green paper like this. Now we will stick a star. And now our flag badge is also ready. Have you seen? Now you can also paste a safety pin on the back side of this, and you can also use it on your 14 August. You can also give this badges to your sisters, your brother, your parents, your cousins. You can also use double tape at the back side of the paper and can use on your clothes. I have also made a flag, a big flag, and I have a rope and a straw. Then now I can stick the straw at the back side of the paper. Then use glue then stick the straw like this. Your flag is ready. Have you seen how our flag is ready? Now students, you can also make this badge, flag badge and this flag at home, and also you can make anything related to 14 August and give a picture of your badge and flag. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, take care.